may clap sila. Do. Just spread, boys. Okay. Take south space pa, south space. Huwag kayo sa north.
35.
Let them. Sige, nagpasya sila.
Chop.
Sige lang. Do. Just spread, boys. Spread.
22.
Let them bash. Magkakaroon pa na isang engage to pagkabasag ng gate. Yun yung isusok natin.
Day 14.
Good. Copy. Spread, boys. Spread. Let them come. Just spread inside. Just spread inside. Careful ah. They will engage soon ah. Just use and double inside you. Do. Sige lang. Just hold, boys. Just hold. Huwag kayong matakot. Let them come. Let them soak. Sige lang, roll inside you. Def now. They full push northeast. Any boys. Any. Northeast. Full push. Huwag kayong matakot. Full push. Sige, northeast. Popper pots. Push, boys. Northeast. Tapakan nyo, pre. Sobrang dami dito. Drop your east hero. On the ground. Lapag yung east nyo. Sige, keep dropping your east. Keep dropping. Sige lang. Low sila. Sige, pat sila. Ready clerics ah. They will have it ah. They have cleric now. Heals on me please. Pahil. Stabilize. Sige, drop your east. Keep healing. We have 4 healers still. We still have 4 healers. Hold. Come southwest. SW. Dropping. Magpahil guys sa Judy. Heal on the Judy. Hold. They will engage soon. Just spread inside. Huwag kayong matakot. Spread. Def. Many healers to we have 3. Keep rolling now. Just keep healing.
Outside.
Roll lang. Roll, boys. We die here. Sige lang, keep rolling na. We still have 3 healers, boys. Lamang pa rin tayo. Huwag kayong matakot. Ubutan to. Sige lang, we have our cannon. Sige lang, tinan mo, takot pa sila. Hold. Just stay. Oh, ang dami na namamatay. Puta ka na. Hold. Ready clerics ah. Hold. Come southwest.
Aliset
Def.
sa mana.
Puta nyo to. Def. Nice. So, then roll again. Roll. Front to back. Sige. Nasa loob lang. Let me know when you're ready. Help twin tower. Oh, mamamatay screen. Oh, no. Sige lang siya. Keep rolling. Come southwest.
Hello mga man.
SW.
Wala na DPS.
SW. Wala na?
Dalawa.
Gusto na ba? Hold.
Kaya pa to, may barrel
Ay pa
ka.
daw.
Tara, try to comeback, boys. Share pa nga sila.
May tatlong healer ka.
Oo nga eh. Hold. Just spread. Hold. Keep rolling. Def now. Def. Cleric. Teka, iba barrel trap ko to. 1. Wala. Out na kayo.
Pagkachal.
Maros na, pati men. Ito. Pati mo to.
Gago. Kaya pa natin manalo. Hindi lang makasok mo.
Need support.
Pero nice balls naman. Not bad.
Siguro dapat pinakomit mo pa din, Era.
Mas malalim. I mean, sa loob na ng canon.
Oo, mas malalim pa sa kanan.
Nagpanggap tayong tumakbo, no? Pwede rin ganun. May tanong ako, nung nag-go deep tayo, parang
Na-stabilize.
feeling ko yung healers hindi sumabay. Nag-go deep ba yung healers?
Nabobrawl out sa likod.
Pero parang malapit pa sila matalo dun, pre.